Half a day and welcome to Just Fair Hands. Today we are visiting a small Spanish style village on the island of Guam. It's called Inalahan. Guys, today I have a best friend with me and she's going to start us off with a brief history about the village according to Guampedia.
On the United States mainland, what is commonly called a city or town, here on Guam is referred to as a village. The village of Inalahan is known as the most distinctly Spanish-style village on the island.
A visitor could drive through the small Spanish barrio-style streets, which until recently were one-way streets, and see the history of Inalahan and its old houses. The houses reflect a mixture of architecture influenced by the Spanish period and the early American period.
Traditional ways, with the St. Joseph's Church still at the center of many activities, including the village annual fiestas.
Residents of the village are still a small number of families whose roots are deeply rooted in Inalahan. Very few outsiders have moved into the village and very few modern structures have been built.
Oh, these dried up bones are running wild on this whole night, sitting by the traffic lights. Oh no, I don't know if I should go. Dried up bones are running wild on this whole night, sitting by the traffic lights. Don't know, I don't know if I should go. I once called this home, same old rusty fence and cracks and dents, puddles in the pavement, yet I don't know which way to go. Endless nights in candlelight, open wounds that just don't feel quite right, hollow eyes and dried up cries. All will fade, come daylight, come daylight. Will it be alright?
I think this is probably the best view you can ever see these waves, how rushing and violent they are. I think this is like the best place. But the only thing is, do not fall, because this is straight coral, and I tell you, these things are sharp. But this is just the best place. You can spend here all day just watching this. Anyway, guys, this is Guam. This is why we travel around. So if you get a chance to come to Guam, definitely do one of these. There's so many areas that it's so nice to see waves like this. This is just one of those. Come to Inalahan. You will not regret it.
Oh, these dried up bones
Yep.
are running wild on this old night, sitting by the traffic light zone. I don't know if I should go. Come daylight, will it be alright? Come daylight. Even in my darkest hour, where shadows loom and grow taller, you, yeah, you make me see with eyes so clear. Nothing's lost, there's nothing left to fear. Oh, these dried up bones are running wild on this old night.
Thank you for watching. Please check out our other videos in the channel. We love to travel, cook, and work with our God-given hands. So, if you find some value, please like, comment, and subscribe, and may God keep you until the next video. Bye-bye!